Hi guys, it's been a while, so I'm gonna make Walmart grocery haul. So I tried the Walmart delivery here in our area, here in our town. So first time ko ito ginawa. So first, I've got this Zevia. I don't know how to pronounce it. Zevia. It's sugar free, so so I'm gonna try it. It's creamy root beer flavor. I got finished Quantum dishwashing detergent. Then Zim, kasi konti na lang yung Zim natin. For the bathroom. And I got the Equate Ultra Flushable Wipes. I like this. Hindi siya bati dalhin. Then bread, hindi ito yung original, it is a substitution na lang, so okay na din kasi wala. Avocado, I got 1 potato, that's it. 2 white or yellow onions. So, muffins. So I'm gonna try this one, although medyo mataas siya sa sugar. Cinnamon sugar. I like cinnamon. And then, Pure Foods corned beef, Carnation leaf. Because I'm planning to make carbonara this weekend. Next, and oatmeal. Kasi nagustuhan ni Amir yung isang binili namin sa Swiss. So, I'm gonna try this one. Hopefully, gustuhan niya din. And then, one of my favorites, the Lay's cheddar and sour cream. Then Amir likes Cheetos popcorn. My favorite one. She likes popcorn. And then I've got spaghetti, pasta. The goulash, favorite ni Daddy Lee. And then there's Nasdor na may pastry cream. I like this one. And then mushroom. So ito pala ang kanilang paper bag kapag delivery. And then last one, eggs, 18 pieces. Starbucks almond and oat caramel macchiato. Tignan ko na rin yung hazelnut, but mas preferred ko yung caramel macchiato. Then almond silk, 0 sugar. Weight value half and half. Gusto ni hubby ito kasi medyo manamis siya compared to the other brands. Masarap yung niya. Pagka yung lasa niya. Then Velveeta or Velvet. I don't know how. Velveeta sliced cheese. And then also shredded cheese. And I think that's it. My total is $124. $100. So, yeah. So wala pang meat. So wala halos meat yan. Same lang. Just bread, pastry, and some milk, and then no toiletries. So medyo mahal talaga. Ito lang yung parang cleaning and folding. Just this one is So, medyo mahal talaga ang bilhin ngayon. Even dito sa Canada. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.